What's up guys? Welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'll unbox a big guy. Now let's unbox it. Well, here it is. A big guy. This is the ZD Racing's new rally. So beautiful body. 1/8 gear. Start to unbox it. The manuals. This must be sorry, I don't know how to block it. This is a charger. Yes, charger. This is a big guy. Oh, there is no transmitter in the box. So, it must be in it. Wow, so beautiful, really? Windshield, the rear wheels, the front face, and you can even see the mirrors and the windshield. Now let's see the interior. Wow, it's pink. Oh, the transmitter is in here. There is red. Let's untie it. I think it's a good way to tie the transmitter in the body because it can save a lot space. Now, this transmitter is just like a lot of quarters RTR transmitter. This is 6 channels. I use it. Oh no, it's not 6 channels. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 channels. It's enough for the rally. Now let's see the chassis. The chassis use the ZD Racing's newest V3 system. So if you see the orange shock towers, orange motor. No, this is a V3 systems. A lot of metals, since metals, so beautiful. And the metal suspension, metal shocks. And the chair is also soft. So smooth, you can see. And this is a 3000 milliamp hours 3S batteries, T plugs. The front suspension is a little bit soft, but I can change the shocks. All metal chassis, so beautiful. Please leave comments down below and I will see you next time. Bye!